Hi, this is Ted Harris, the Harris Fun Club. And now, to start off the show, I'm going to speedwalk in a circle for no reason. Other way. And now I'm going to dance uncontrollably. And I have a great show to entertain you. It's really amazing. So here we go. No, I, Harris Puffin, I have a song to sing to you. It's 9 o'clock for Saturday. The regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic engine. He said, "Son, can you play me a melody? I'm not really sure how it goes, but it's sad and sweet and I knew complete when I wore younger man's clothes." Da 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 da. Sing us a song, you're a piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Now we're all in the mood for a melody. You gotta feel it all right. Oh, John at the bar is a friend of mine. He gives me my drinks for free. We quick with a joke, and like or smoke. With some kisses he'd rather be. He said, "Ted, can you believe this is killing me? I just farted away from his face. But I'm sure that I could be a movie star. And I could get out of this place. Say it's a song, you're a piano man. Say it's a song tonight. Oh, we're all in the mood for a melody. You gotta feel it alright. John is a real estate novelist who never had time for a wife. And he's talking with Davey, who's still in the Navy, and he'd probably be there for life. And the waitress is practicing politics as the businessmen slowly get stoned. But they shine the drink they call loneliness is better than drinking alone. That's a pretty good crowd for a Saturday. The manager, he gives me a smile. So that it's me that they've all come to see. Forget about life for a while. And the piano sounds like a carnival. The microphone smells like beer. And they set the bar and they put bread in my jar. say, man, what are you doing here? La 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 la. Say it's a song of piano, man. Say it's a song tonight. Oh, listen for a melody. And you guys feeling alright. Bum bum ba da da bum bum ba da. Thank you. Let's see, that's all the time we have for today. Just want to admit we had a great show, it's amazing, and we had a lot of great fun today. Anyway, till next time, we've had lots and lots of fun, you know, but now it's time to go. If that's already to ever made, I'll be in heaven, still doing this show. See you next time.